Good morning, students. Let us begin with next question number 3. In this, it's given that can a quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram? It is one of the quadrilateral, and they are asking that it can be a parallelogram if they have given three different conditions. Angle D plus angle B equals to 180 degree. Angle D plus angle B equals to 180 degree. As you know that in parallelogram opposite angles are equal. Opposite angles are equal. Okay, so here if this angle B and angle D are equal, means if their measure is equals to 90 degree, then definitely it can be a parallelogram. But among them, what are the other properties of parallelogram? That opposite sides should be equal, which is not given, and adjacent angles should also be supplementary. That is, angle A plus angle B should be equals to 180 degree. So what is the answer? That in this case it can be a parallelogram. It can be a parallelogram, need not to be. Okay, need not be means it's not necessary always. It can be, but not always. It can be a parallelogram, but it should satisfy the other conditions also. Now, second condition which they have given, that AB equals to DC equals to 8 centimeter, AD equals to 4 centimeter, and BC equals to 4.4 centimeter. Now, AB equals to CD. Okay, because in parallelogram opposite side should be equal. Now next, AD is 4 and BC is 4.4 centimeter. So can it be a parallelogram? No, it can't be a parallelogram. Why it can't be a parallelogram? Because in parallelogram AD is not equals to BC, but in parallelogram opposite side should be equal. So it can't be a parallelogram as AD is not equals to BC. Now let us move to the third condition which they have given. What is the third condition they have given? That angle A equals to 70 degree and angle C equals to 65 degree. Angle A and angle C. So can it be a parallelogram? No. Why? Because as angle A is not equals to angle C. But in parallelogram, opposite angles should be equal. So it can't be a parallelogram. You can write the reason over here. What is the reason? That opposite angles of parallelogram should be equal. Here you can write opposite sides of a parallelogram should be equal. But here it is not equal. So it can't be a parallelogram. Okay. Now let us move to question number 4. What is question number 4? Draw a rough figure of a quadrilateral that is not a parallelogram. Means you have to draw a quadrilateral, four-sided figure, but it is not a parallelogram, but has exactly two opposite angles of equal measure. So definitely it will be the shape of a kite. It will be the shape of a kite. Okay. Here it is a quadrilateral ABCD. It is a quadrilateral, and here angle A is equals to angle C. So this is the rough figure for question number 4. Now let us move to question number 5. What is question number 5? The measures of two adjacent angles of a parallelogram are in the ratio 3:2. Okay, it is 3:2. Means if ABCD is a parallelogram, they have given two adjacent angles of a parallelogram are in the ratio of 3:2. Find the measure of each of the angles of a parallelogram. Write down here, ABCD is a parallelogram, and the ratio, what is the given ratio? Given ratio is 3:2 of adjacent angles. So let the adjacent angles are angle A and angle B. Okay, angle A and angle B. Is that clear? Let the adjacent angles are angle A and angle B. Now, what they are saying that their ratio is equals to 3:2. So, angle A is equals to 3x, angle B is equals to 2x. Now, as you know that in parallelogram, adjacent angles are supplementary. So, angle A plus angle B is equals to 180 degree. You must write the reason that. What is the reason? Adjacent angles of parallelogram are 180 degree. Now substitute the value of angle A and angle B, that is 3x plus 2x. Okay, what is 3x plus 2x equals to 180 degree, that is 5x is equals to 180 degree. What does it implies? It implies that 180 degree upon 5. 180 degree upon 5 you can divide orally. 5 3s are 15, 5 6 are 30. So you got the value of x equals to 36 degree. Now you can find the measure of angle A. What is angle A? 3x, that is 3 multiplied by 36, and angle B equals to 2x, that is 2 multiplied by 36. Here it will come 72 degree and here it will be 108 degree, and if you will add them then you will find that the sum of the two adjacent angle is 180 degree. Okay, so this is question number 5. Now let us move to question number 6. What is question number 6 here? Two adjacent angles of a parallelogram have equal measure. Now you have to draw a parallelogram in such a way that the two adjacent angles should be of equal measure. Okay. Find the measure of each of the angles of a parallelogram. Now in this case, what type of figure you are going to get? Like this. The two adjacent angles are of equal measure, which is only possible when it will be a square, because as you know square is also a parallelogram. Name it as angle A B C D. So what type of figure? Only in the square is such a type of parallelogram in which the two measures are equal. Two adjacent angles are of equal measure. Now just first of all write down that ABCD is a square. ABCD is a square. Now as it is a square, so angle A equals to angle B equals to 90 degree. Now you are supposed to find out the measure of the each angle. Now as you know, if it is a parallelogram, then angle A plus angle B equals to 180 degree, because angle A and angle B are what type of angles? Adjacent angles. And as you know, adjacent angles of parallelogram are 180 degree. The sum of the two adjacent angles of a parallelogram are 180 degree. Now, just as you know that angle A and angle B are equal. So, here this is only because of square, but we have to find out in the case of parallelogram. So angle A and angle B are equal because ABCD is in this case ABCD will be a square, and in parallel they have given the condition that the two adjacent angles are equal. So just substitute angle A plus angle A. I can write angle B equals to angle A equals to 180 degree. That is twice of angle A equals to 180 degree, which implies that angle A is equals to 180 degree divided by 2, that is 90 degree. What is the measure of each angle? Angle A equals to angle B equals to 90 degree. Is that clear? This is the condition. Okay. Now, let us move to the last question. 7th one. Okay. Let us move to 7th question. Question number 7th. The adjacent figure Hope is a parallelogram. A parallelogram is given to you. Okay. A parallelogram is given to you. What the name of this parallelogram? HOPE. Hope. Let us draw the figure. H-O-P-E, hope. Now, this is given x, this is given 40 degree, this is given z, this is given y, and this is your 70 degree. Okay. Now, what they are asking, hope is a parallelogram. Find the angle measures x, y, and z, and we have to find out the value of x, value of y, and value of z. Okay. Now, first of all, name it as angle 1. Name it as angle 1. Now, in this case, it's clear that angle 1 plus 70 degree equals to 180 degree. Why? Why it will be a 180 degree? Because of linear pair. Why it will be a 180 degree? Because it will be a linear pair. Now, so we can find out the value of angle 1. Angle 1 will be equals to 180 minus 70 degree, which is equals to 110 degree. What is the value of angle 1 we got? 110 degree. So here what is the value of x? Angle 1 will be equals to angle E. Why? Because they are the opposite angles of a parallelogram. Opposite angles of parallelogram. Okay, these are the opposite angles of parallelogram. So angle E is equals to angle x. So angle x will be equals to angle 1, that is 110 degree. What it will be equals to? 110 degree, isn't it? Here it will be equals to 110 degree. Now, we will move to the next one. This is 110 degree. Now, after this x is 110 degree, let us consider this triangle EHP. By angle sum property, we can find out angle 2. Name it as angle 2, isn't it? So, angle x plus 40 degree plus angle 2 is equals to 180 degree. What is the reason? Angle sum property. Okay, it is the angle sum property. Now you got the value of angle x. What is the value of angle x? Angle x is equals to 110 degree. So 110 degree plus 40 degree plus angle 2 equals to 180 degree. Okay, so angle 2 will be equals to 180 minus, we will shift this side, 150 degree, that is angle 2 is equals to 30 degree. What is the value of angle 2? 30 degree. Angle 2 is 30 degree. Now, as you know that hope is a parallelogram, so opposite sides are parallel. So HO is parallel to P and HP is the transversal. So angle Y is equals to 40 degree and angle Z equals to angle 2. Why? Because these are alternate angles. These are alternate angles. So you got angle Y is equals to 40 degree. Okay. You got angle X is equals to 110 degree. Okay. And angle Z is equals to angle 2. And what is the value of angle 2? 30 degree. So angle Z equals to 30 degree. These are the three unknown values. Okay. Thank you.